लोग अब एक साथ आ गया है।
हाँ।
और हम लोग पूरा त्रिपुरा लोग अब यूनाइटेड है और नॉर्थ ईस्ट का लोग भी सोलिडेरिटी दिख रहा है, मेघालय का लोग भी बहुत अच्छे, सब लोग सोलिडेरिटी दिख रहा है। त्रिपुरा को बचाना है, त्रिपुरा बचेगा तभी नॉर्थ ईस्ट असम मेघालय बचेगा, पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट बचेगा तभी
तो इंडिया बचेगा।
जय हिंद, त्रिपुरा
भारत माता की जय।
And so many brothers are along with me, and he is my brother Chandra Damatia, and working in a custom, working in a custom, working as a custom department in Meghalaya. He also coming with us and joining us our movement, and obviously our Sazra and his team and our brothers are along with me, and even our Swarna Tripura brother and our media personnel, they are also just reaching right now, and we are very thankful once again and grateful to the peoples of Meghalaya, peoples of East Khasi Hills and East Jantia Hills, those who are supporting us, showing their solidarity. They provide us solidarity. They invited us for a cup of tea and water. So all the peoples of East Khasi Hills, they are very they are kind-hearted, and without their support, we can't move and we can move forward for this movement. So thank you very much for supporting our movement, and those who are watching from Tripura and other state, all are those who are praying for us. I'm very grateful and thankful for all of them, and once again very much thankful to the government of Meghalaya and government of Meghalaya police, and for providing us the security to secure our movement. And you can watch the security band along with us just behind.